Welcome to Healthy Building Services. Gardening support in healthy building. Gardening will be easier, more productive, and, well, just a lot more fun when you have the gardening support available. It also lowers the odds of overweight and obesity. In the gardening space provided, adequate quantities of the following supplies are provided. Planting medium. Reference, U.S. G. B. C. 4. 9. Irrigation. Reference, U.S. G. B. C. 5. 0. Lighting, interior spaces only. Reference, U.S. G. B. C. 5. 1. Plants. Reference, U.S. G. B. C. 5. 2. Gardening tools. Reference, I.W. B. I. 6. 4. Thank you for watching our video. For more information join us www.myhealthybuildings.com.